Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can update how you can repair Windows Update components, right? So first of all, what you need to do here is to go and search and look for services, and then you just need to click on one of the tasks here and press B until you find background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it, properties, and then you just need to make sure that service status startup type is automatic, and then service status is running. If it's not running, press start, apply OK, and then you can restart if you want to as well. Another thing that you need to do here is to we need to wait until it finishes. Then you need to click on the task and then press W until you see Windows Update. So let's look for Windows Update, then right click again and do the same. Properties, automatic, service status, make sure it's running, and after that restart it, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then right click on your Windows icon, go to terminal as admin, and then you need to put one command here, and I will show you what you need to do, what you need to write here. I will leave this command in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it. And after that, you need to restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to settings, then go to a system, then you need to go to a troubleshoot, then go to other troubleshooters, and here you need to run Windows Update troubleshooter and look what problems you have, and just auto detect problem and fix it here. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.